Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's super relevant to all of us. How can we minimize the negative impacts of technology growth? We all love the next big tech release, the latest gadget, the newest software update. But have you ever stopped to think about the environmental and social costs that come with these advancements? We're talking about things like energy consumption, e-waste, ethical considerations in AI, and so much more. It's a big conversation, but the good news is there are ways to mitigate these downsides and pave the way for a more sustainable tech future. Let's break it down. So, first up, let's talk about AI. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. It's everywhere, from our smartphones to our cars, and it's only getting bigger. The integration of AI into our daily lives is becoming more seamless and widespread, but training these massive AI models requires a crazy amount of energy. We're talking about data centers filled with rows upon rows of servers, all consuming vast amounts of electricity. These data centers run 24/7, crunching numbers and gobbling up power. The energy consumption is staggering, and it's a growing concern. But here's the thing, it doesn't have to be this way. There's a growing movement towards making AI more sustainable. Developers are already working on optimizing training processes to make them way more efficient. This means creating smarter algorithms and more efficient software that can do the same job with less energy. Think algorithms that learn faster and hardware that sips power instead of guzzling it. Innovations in hardware are also playing a crucial role in reducing energy consumption. And it's not just about the training itself. The source of the energy powering these data centers is equally important. Where that energy comes from is a huge deal. Transitioning to renewable energy sources like solar and wind can make a significant difference. That's why it's so important to transition to cloud platforms powered by renewable energy sources like solar and wind. This shift can drastically reduce the carbon footprint of AI operations. We're talking about green data centers, people. These are facilities specifically designed to be environmentally friendly. These facilities are designed from the ground up to minimize their environmental footprint, using things like efficient cooling systems and on-site renewable energy generation. They are a testament to how technology can evolve to be more sustainable. And for those times when going completely green isn't feasible just yet, there's always the option of carbon offset programs. These programs are a practical step towards sustainability. These programs allow companies to invest in renewable energy projects or other initiatives that reduce carbon emissions, effectively balancing out the impact of their operations. It's a way to take responsibility for their environmental impact. It's all about finding that balance, right? Balancing technological advancement with environmental stewardship is key, pushing the boundaries of AI while making sure we're not pushing the planet over the edge. It's a delicate dance, but one that's absolutely necessary for a sustainable future. Now let's talk about ethical AI deployment. Ethical AI deployment is not just a technical challenge, but a societal one. It requires us to think deeply about the implications of the technology we create and how it impacts every facet of our lives. It's not just about the environment, it's about people. People from all walks of life, from different backgrounds and experiences, who will interact with these technologies daily. We must ensure that these interactions are positive and empowering. We need to make sure that AI benefits everyone, not just a select few. This means creating systems that are accessible and beneficial to all, regardless of socioeconomic status, race, gender, or ability. AI should be a tool that uplifts and supports communities, not one that exacerbates existing inequalities. That means focusing on inclusive development, where AI tools are designed to address the needs of marginalized communities and help bridge the digital divide. By doing so, we can ensure that everyone has the opportunity to benefit from technological advancements. And it's not just about who AI serves, but also who gets to build it. The development teams behind these technologies should reflect the diversity of the world we live in. This diversity brings a wealth of perspectives and ideas that can lead to more innovative and fair solutions. We need diverse voices and perspectives in the AI development process to avoid bias and ensure that these technologies are used for good. When we include a variety of viewpoints, we can better identify potential biases and work to mitigate them, creating more equitable and just AI systems. Data responsibility is another crucial aspect of ethical AI. The data we collect and use to train AI systems must be handled with the utmost care and respect for privacy. We generate an insane amount of data every single day, and it's essential to handle it with care. This means being transparent about data collection practices, ensuring data security, and minimizing unnecessary data storage to protect individuals' privacy. That means prioritizing privacy, minimizing unnecessary data storage, and being transparent about how data is collected and used. By doing so, we can build trust with users and create a more secure digital environment. Think of it like this: AI is a powerful tool, and like any tool, it can be used for good or bad. The responsibility lies with us to ensure that it is used ethically and for the benefit of all. It's up to us to make sure it's used responsibly and ethically. By committing to ethical practices, inclusive development, and responsible data handling, we can build a future where AI serves as a force for good, benefiting everyone and leaving no one behind. Okay, let's talk about the elephant in the room, e-waste. It's a growing problem that we can't ignore any longer. We're all guilty of it. Every time we upgrade to the latest smartphone or gadget, we contribute to the mounting pile of electronic waste. That drawer full of old phones, chargers, and gadgets, yeah, that's a problem. It's not just clutter, it's a ticking time bomb of toxic materials. The way we design and consume tech plays a huge role in this. Manufacturers often prioritize sleek designs and rapid production over sustainability. We need to move away from the disposable tech mindset and start thinking about longevity and recyclability from the get-go. This means designing products that last longer and can be easily recycled. Imagine a world where devices are designed to be easily repaired, upgraded, and eventually recycled. This would drastically reduce the amount of e-waste we produce. Modular designs, where components can be swapped out instead of replacing the entire device, could be a game changer. This approach not only saves money but also reduces waste. And it's not just about the design, it's also about how we consume tech. We need to be more mindful of our purchasing habits and consider the environmental impact. Refurbished and modular technology products offer a more sustainable alternative to always buying brand new. These options can be just as effective and reliable as new products. Plus, we need to embrace circular practices like leasing and recycling programs. These initiatives help keep electronics in use for longer and reduce the need for new resources. Instead of tossing old devices in a landfill, why not give them a second life? By refurbishing and recycling, we can significantly cut down on e-waste and make a positive impact on the environment. Now, let's shift gears and talk about the positive impact AI can have. When applied thoughtfully, AI has the potential to address some of the world's most pressing challenges. We're talking about using AI to tackle things like climate change, poverty, hunger, and disease. Imagine AI-powered systems that optimize energy grids, develop new agricultural techniques, or accelerate medical research. The UN's Sustainable Development Goals, or SDGs, provide a great framework for identifying areas where AI can make a real difference. These goals cover a wide range of issues, from clean water and affordable energy to sustainable cities and responsible consumption. And the cool thing is, we're already seeing some incredible innovations in this space. AI is being used to monitor deforestation, track endangered species, develop renewable energy systems, and so much more. It's all about aligning our technological prowess with our desire for a better future. AI for good, people. Now let's be real, we can't just rely on good intentions alone. We need strong policies and regulations to incentivize sustainable AI practices and hold companies accountable. Governments have a crucial role to play in creating a level playing field for sustainable innovation. Think tax benefits for companies that adopt green computing practices or invest in renewable energy. And it's not just about carrots, sometimes you need a stick. Regulations can help set standards for energy efficiency in AI systems, promote responsible data practices, and encourage the development of more sustainable hardware. But it's not just about top-down approaches. Collaboration is key. We need governments, tech companies, researchers, and civil society working together to establish global standards and best practices for sustainable AI. It's about creating a regulatory landscape that fosters innovation while ensuring that technology serves humanity and the planet. Finally, let's talk about the power of collective action. We're all in this together, and it's going to take a collective effort to create a truly sustainable tech future. That means raising awareness about the environmental and social impacts of technology. We need to educate developers, businesses, and consumers about the importance of sustainable innovation and empower them to make informed choices. Collaboration is key. We need to foster partnerships across sectors, bringing together tech companies, researchers, policymakers, and communities to develop AI-powered solutions that benefit everyone. Think of it like this: we're all stakeholders in the future of technology. It's time to step up, use our voices, and demand better from the tech industry. Let's work together to create a tech ecosystem that's not just innovative and cutting edge, but also sustainable, equitable, and beneficial for all. Thanks for watching. Remember, responsible innovation is key to a sustainable future. We've covered a lot of ground today, from energy-efficient AI and ethical data practices to e-waste reduction and the importance of policy and collaboration. The future of tech is in our hands. By making conscious choices, supporting sustainable companies, and advocating for responsible innovation, we can shape a tech landscape that benefits both people and the planet. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insights on technology and sustainability. Let's build a brighter future together.